In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. Linking tables lets you keep related information connected while avoiding duplicate data, which makes your base cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier to maintain. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in if prompted. Head to the workspace and open the base where you want to create the connection. Once your base is open, look at the table you'll be working in. We're going to add a new field, so move to the far right side of your columns and click the plus sign to insert a new one. This opens the Field Setup panel where you can choose the type of field you want to create. In the Field Type menu, go to the Standard Field section. From here, select Link to another record. This is the special field type that connects records in your current table to records stored in another table within the same base. It's the backbone of relational structure in Airtable. At this point, you have a choice. If you don't already have a destination table, you can create a new table directly from this prompt. Airtable will set up the link for you so you can start adding connected records right away. If you already have the table you want to link to, choose the option to use an existing table. Next, pick the specific table you want to link to from the list. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. This determines where your links will point. Before finalizing, give your new field a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand what it connects to. Go ahead and create the field to add it to your table. You may see a few configuration options such as allowing multiple linked records or restricting links to a specific view. Choose the settings that fit your workflow. For example, enable multiple links if a single record should connect to more than one item on the other table. When you're happy with the setup, click Add to apply your choices. Your new linked record field will appear as a column ready to use. From now on, whenever you click into a cell in that column, you can search for and select an existing record from the linked table to create the connection. That's it, your tables are now linked. This simple setup helps you centralize data, reduce errors, and unlock powerful features like rollups and lookups later on. Thanks for watching, and happy building an Airtable.